What's up, YouTube family? It's your boy Kevin coming at you today with another kaboom exciting video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money two ways from one website. You're going to want to see this. Stick around. We're going to get started on that here right now. Hey guys, welcome back to the video. My name is Kevin Lehner with freedommotivator.com, and if this is your first time here to my videos or to my channel, what we do here is we do affiliate marketing videos, anything to do with making money online videos to help you out, and once in a while we throw in a motivational video for you guys there too as well. Alrighty, great. Well, like I said earlier in the intro, I'm going to show you how you can make money from online from home in two ways on one website. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started right in on this. And what we're going to do is come over here to a site called Pro Blogger. If you like to write, or you have a passion to write and you're good at writing and good with all those types of things, this is going to be probably right up your alley. Actually, anybody can do this, but if you particularly have a passion for writing, this will be right up your alley. Alright, so we're going to come over here to ProBlogger.com. You see it up here in the address bar here. And ProBlogger.com is a place where you can get started in blogging. It'll even help you to get your own blog and website and get it up and running and different things, and also teach you how to blog to make money online and grow your blog with traffic and SEO and so on and so forth. They have a lot of resources here, and it's not free to join ProBlogger itself. They have different price packages, I guess, on here, but you can. It's enough information here that they give you that you can start your own blog for fairly little to no money. I mean, it's not real expensive to get started in blogging. Basically you need to have you want to have your hosting, and you want to have a domain name related to your niche, particularly in a .com or a .net if you can, as far as domain names goes. And you can also get different sources and tools here, as you see here. I'm clicked on their resources here. And one of the ways that you can do here, the first way we're talking about making money here, of course, is through blogging. So if you want to start your own blog and you can make money, now it will take time because you're going to have to build up articles and write good, helpful content in articles, of which you can either sell on your blog. You can either sell your own product if you have your own, like e-course, for example, or something like that, or if you've written an e-book that you want to sell, which, by the way, incidentally, talking about writing an ebook, if you look down in the description there below, you'll see where it says to click on the link to get Scribble. It's a high engagement, professional looking ebook program that you can create ebooks very easily with. Normally ebooks are like blog posts or something. It takes a long time to write an ebook. Well, with Scribble, you can actually create one very quickly, in just a matter of a few seconds. In fact, Scribble will do it for you. It'll actually write the ebook. If you want to curate some content from other websites or other blogs, and you can spin it in Scribble, will create a ebook for you with the information. And they also already have different niche information on there too, that you can create ebooks, professional looking, shiny, professional looking ebooks in a matter of just a few minutes. Look down in the description there and click where it says get Scribble. It's called Scribble. Okay, and you click that, go over and check that out. Now, as far as coming back to blogging here, they have some resources and tools here, and of course they're talking about blog platforms. WordPress is probably the most popular one. I mean, you can do it completely free with Blogger.com, which is Google's blogging platform. That's always been free, but WordPress is probably the most popular, and you can do it either at WordPress.com and have it hosted by them, although it doesn't have as much flexibility doing that way as it would if you hosted your own WordPress blog on your own hosting, and so on and so forth. So you get yourself a WordPress blog, okay? And if you need hosting, probably the best hosting is Bluehost. Bluehost hosting here. You can get it for cheap here. Look, you can get right here on their front page. This is Bluehost here. You can get a free domain name for a year, and you get a free SSL certificate. That's the security that you see right here. It'll make it so your website shows secure to everyone, and it does secure it, make it a secure site for people to feel comfortable about entering any information, such as signing up for your newsletter or any kind of a thing that a contact form or something like that. Alright, so you get that, and you can get its one-click WordPress install. It's just that easy. They use a program called, I think it's called Softalicious or something like that, and it's literally one click to install your WordPress blog. And it's just that easy, and 24/7 support here at $3.95 a month. That's pretty cheap. That's within anyone's reach. I mean, literally anyone could have a hosted WordPress site for pretty cheap. So Bluehost is the one, which also I'll have the link if you want to come over here to Bluehost. Right down there in the top of the description, you'll see where it says click here to get Bluehost. Just click that link. It'll bring you right over here, and you can find out some more information about it and get signed up if you want. Okay, and they have lots of different things here. Bluehost is probably one of the best. I've always thought that HostGator and Bluehost are about the two best hosting companies in the world. Now, I mean, you can get hosting through like GoDaddy, although that's a little more expensive, and or Namecheap or some of those other domain sites. They'll have, you can get hosting through them as well too. All right, but Bluehost and HostGator are probably the top in the world. I'm going to say Bluehost is probably the best of all in the world right now, probably most popular. And anyway, so yeah, blogging, come to blogging, and they have a lot of resources here. Like I said, you can get to see your hosting. It'll tell you about how to get a good theme for your blog. There's also plenty of free themes that are really good, or you can, if you want to purchase a good theme, you can also do that too. And now you have tools for graphic design for your blog if you want to start it up. And then now PicMonkey. If you look back, I did a video about 3 or 4 videos back on my channel where I reviewed PicMonkey. It's a very good tool for creating visual content for your blog, like it says here. You can go back and check that video out as well. Also, and if you need email marketing, if you for your business, you're going to connect your email to your blog for your business, because after all, you're trying to make money through blogging, right? And so there's several that you can get here. Now, I have 2 ways down there. There's one that you can get free email marketing for up to 100 subscribers. There's a video I did on that here just a couple of days ago about that, how to get free full email marketing, all the full tools that you need. Now, if you want something a little more powerful, then you can look down there in the description too, where you see the one about the free hosting. I'll have that link there too. But there's another one down there where you can get your free 30-day, no credit card required trial of GetResponse. That's the email, excuse me, that's the email platform that I use for my blogging and my affiliate marketing business, and it's very good, no doubt about it. I think it's $15 a month for up to 1,000 subscribers that you can have, and then it goes up from there depending on how high up of subscribers that you have on your email contacts list. Also, down here you're going to need, probably you want to get involved in your affiliate marketing. If you're doing affiliate marketing through like your blogging and your WordPress site, you're going to need landing pages to build your landing pages or funnels, your affiliate marketing funnels, right? To drive traffic into the funnels and make sales off of whatever it is you're selling, either your own product, ebook, or other people's products, and affiliate marketing off of your blog, right? Because the whole idea is to make money through your blog. Now, they show lead pages here, but if you look also, I'll have the link down there in the description as well. I show you how to get InstaBuilder 2.0. It's a landing page and a funnel builder you can do right on your WordPress blog for cheap. Now it's normally $77 for that, but if you watch my video on my channel, I show you where you can get it for $5. You can get InstaBuilder 2.0 landing page builder or funnel builder on your WordPress blog site, and use your hosting as to your funnel building site to drive your traffic to. So click down there in the link where you can see it says for the check out the video on InstaBuilder. It's where the name of the video there is the number one, the best landing page builder for WordPress or something like that. Here, let me just see if I can show it to you here. And if I come over here to my channel, it's right here, right there. Best landing page builder for WordPress. Click that link down there below. I'll have the link for that in the description. You can come over, watch this video, and it'll show you how to get InstaBuilder installed on your WordPress blog for just $5. Okay? Alright, and then here's the other one I was talking about. How to get free email marketing. It's the one I did about 2 days ago, earlier than this video here. And you can get up to 100 subscribers. That's enough to get you jump started and get you going good on your in your marketing, your affiliate marketing through your blog or your website. Okay. Okay. Now, and then they come down. They've got other tools that you can do for like social media management and so on and so forth. Tools for productivity, team management, Evernote, Slack, and Trello, Fantastical, and Wonderlist, other blogging resources and tools that you can look at too and see, and then how to monetize your blog with like AdSense. If you want to do Amazon Associates, affiliate marketing through Amazon's website, you can add that to your website. And also Genius Links is a tool for managing all your affiliate links that you have. So yeah, there's a lot that on this Pro Blogger site that you can look into and get you jump started into blogging. Now, of course, blogging, you can make money with that. Obviously, you can. Well, in fact, I'll just show you. I looked up a thing here about success stories of bloggers earning more than $1,000 a year. So some of you may ask the question, well, can you really make money with blogging? Well, right here is your answer. The answer is yes, you can. And here on this site, this is cleverism.com, Cleverism here. And they show you down here the top earning blogs online right here, and so on and so forth. There's a lot of different ones. Pat Flynn, tastingtable.com, Just a Girl and Her Blog, eofire.com. So yes, you can make a full-time living and make lots of money doing blogging. Okay? So yeah, it takes time though. You're going to be constantly adding content, writing blog posts, and then the more blog posts you write, your WordPress website will get ranked up in the search engines from SEO that you do on your site, right? And then that'll drive traffic into your website and consequently sales off of your affiliate links that you have in your blog, right? So alrighty guys, that's one way. Now let's get on to the second way. Let's say, for example, that you don't really want to have your own blog. You don't want to fool around with setting up your own WordPress website or anything like that. Well, here's the second way that you can make money on this website, right here, Pro Blogger. But let's say you like to write, right? You have a passion for writing, but you don't really want to fool around with having your own website. All right, so what we'll do is we come over here on Pro Blogger and we'll click on where it says Jobs right here. And if you click on Jobs, this is similar to Fiverr or Upwork. where people come on and they're asking for help, and you will get handsomely paid for jobs that you do here. As you come here and you click on, there's literally hundreds of people looking for other people like you that have a passion in writing to complete their projects for them. Like you can see here, blog article writing. Most of these are what blog article writings, and what the job is they want. Now the nice thing about this is you don't have to sign up for any account on ProBlogger to do this. Not only can you can also view the jobs and accept jobs or apply for jobs on here, or you can even post your own job. If, let's say you have a WordPress website and you need help writing an article because you don't have time to do it or whatever, but you want articles posted on your website, right? Well, you post a job here, and then people will write you back and apply for your job that you have. Okay, you come here, there's literally hundreds of people asking for help from people that are writers, people that have a passion with writing and love to write. And you can see that there's just all kinds of them here: digital marketing, SEO, outdoor coffee content specialist, a human resource writer, dog writer needed it, if you like to write about animals and dogs and stuff. I mean, the list just goes on and on and on. And you basically just, you could just, for example, let's take the dog one, for example, and you click on that, and it comes down here and it tells you a little bit about it, the person that posted the job. And it's a contract type job. You could actually get ongoing work with this too, I would imagine, if they like your content. And then you just gives you a little description about it right here that the person wrote. Looks like they're writing about dog food product reviews and dog food reviews types of comparisons and things on this particular one right here. And so then you can apply for this job right here. Just click on apply online, and then put your name in, your email address for your contact, and then write your credentials in here. Tell them about yourself, about how good you are, your passion for writing, and that you're good with writing. And you can even give them examples here by uploading files to let the person see some of your writing. If you have examples of your writing in a file, just upload it here, and the person that will check this out will check out your writing and see your abilities and how good you are. And then you can just simply check the box I'm not, a little captcha thing here, and then click send the application. And you can apply for as many of these as you want. I mean, it's just unlimited, basically. It literally is. It's totally unlimited here. But there's job pages and pages, as you see here. It's just pages and pages of people, and it gives the date of when they posted the job. And you can just come through here and apply to do these blog article writings and this ghost writing and things like that for people that need you, people that need your talent and your passion for writing. So that right there, folks, is the second way that you can make money off of this one website. Alrighty, guys, well, that's what I had for you today. If you got some value out of this video, reach down there and smash the hell out of that thumbs up button for me if you would. And also don't forget to click the link down there below in the description for my #1 recommended business, affiliate marketing business, that you can check out. Click where it says mentorwithkev.com and go over and check that out and see what all you get for checking that out. Okay? Alrighty, guys, well, I'm going to let you go for this, and I'll see you again here on the next video here in a couple of days. You guys just have a super day today, okay? Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.